When it comes to validating your business idea, you have a few ways to go. You can trust your gut and listen to no one, but you might really regret it. You can ask your mom. Get feedback from your friends. Monkey around with your Rolodex. Or call a professional market research agency and be prepared to spend a fortune. My name is Lev Mazin. I'm the CEO and co-founder of AskYourTargetMarket.com, and I have a good news for you. Serious market research is now available at silly prices. You start by defining your target market. Then you write your survey, send it to our consumer panel, and you're done. You get your results within a few hours. Once again, it's a self-service, on-demand market research platform with a built-in consumer panel that we all can afford. Your surveys are sent to the qualified members of our proprietary USA consumer panel. And members of this panel have already completed over 6 million surveys. Let me show you how it works. So, you start by specifying the demographic parameters of the people who you want to survey. Let's say I'm a restaurant and I'm thinking about changing my menu. I can adjust the exact demographics of their age range, their income range, ethnicity, education, all other 9 demographic parameters right here. And as I'm doing that, you see that little meter on the left. It shows you the approximate time needed to deliver your survey and the price. When I'm satisfied with this demographic profile, I can proceed with writing my survey. And that's a fun part. It's very easy to draft questions and answers. It's a Twitter-like market research because we have limited characters. You can change the type of questions, upload images, set answers as open-ended answers, and even upload videos. It's very handy if you want to test your pitch or show your product, demonstrate, and get some feedback from the users. Here you can preview how the survey will be shown to the survey takers. They can view the video. All they need to do is to roll over and see the little illustration pop up. And they're done. It's nothing close to that boring concept of survey that we're all familiar with. Say you completed your survey, you have all your questions. All you need to do now is to pay with PayPal and launch your survey. At this point, your survey is sent to the pre-qualified members of our panel. From the dashboard, you always have access to the statistics. And statistics, this is why you came to Ask Your Target Market. You can do all crazy stuff with it. You can slice and dice information, change the chart options. You can go between pie charts to column charts, see the breakdown of the demographics, and even see the responses on the map. And drill down to each particular respondent, see their traits, see how they replied. Furthermore, you can export the data to CSV and Excel file format and then do whatever you want with it outside of our platform. Or you can invite your friends and colleagues by using this link or directly by their email addresses. You can print out a fancy report and bring it to your board, meeting of board, or to your next VC pitch. And you can embed the sleek blog widget to your web page or blog so the readers can click through the questions, and the width is adjustable as you saw. So now when I showed you a little bit of the UI, I want to touch on the quality assurance measures that we do to make sure that we provide really good data. We caught the bots, we caught the cheaters, we caught the people with IP addresses outside of the states, and we have this tremendous intellectual system on top of it called Trust Score, which monitors the trustworthiness of each respondent in the panel. And it works like lie detector, and it's all described on the panel, on the site. We have a few patent-pending technologies, and market research in general is an 18 billion industry worldwide, and half of it happens in the States. Why so much? Historically, market research is an extremely expensive thing. Companies have a lot of legwork to do, sales departments, overhead. Well, guess what? We eliminate all of that. And that's how we bring this revolutionary price point to you. $29.95 for 50 responses. We leverage the social community. We leverage the technology, and that's what allowed us to give it to you. It's still under $100 for 400 responses. That's what we call silly prices for serious market research. Thank you very much.